Hey guys, welcome back to Rakwal. In this video, we are going to see how we can use the DNS protection policies to block the malicious content at DNS level. So for that, you just have to go to the central.sophos.com, the Sophos Central website. After that, you just have to click on the policies. It's the encryption policies. I have to select the product again, and you have to select the endpoint and then go to the policies. So this is the let suppose create the policies for this thing, DNS protections. Yeah, endpoint DNS protections. This policies is available only for the device. It's not available for the user level. So let's just name anything. Test DNS policy. Yeah, probably that would be the better name. There would be a there could be a better name, but yeah, this is also fine. So I have moved the computer to the group. The same way I can move the group as well. So in future, if I add any device in that group, the policies will apply automatically on that device. I don't have to come here and manually apply the policies again. So the same thing. Which location you want to use, just keep it default. And so let's create these policies. How we can activate this thing? Just let me know. Okay, just go to save. After that, again, you just have to come to my product. Then you just have to come to the DNS protection again. There would be options for setup. There is a default locations and there is a test location. So for the test locations, as we have selected the default location, just copy this IP address and add this in the DNS address. So just go to the Wi-Fi is connected. Let me search for the DNS Wi-Fi settings. This is the mode. Change the DNS to IPv4, and there is options for DNS on manual template. So they have the URL for the DNS over HTTPS as well. You just have to provide that as well. DNS over HTTPS. Same goes with the alternate DNS because we have the two DNS here. Let me change this DNS on manual template. Yeah, in the same way, I have to provide the same URL here as well. So what DNS over HTTPS is like, it won't send the simple DNS request. It will send the DNS request over the HTTPS in the encrypted form. So just save these settings. So still my network is working fine. And let's test the like what is the DNS, it's working or not. Let's do the cancel. Again, go to the dashboard and pages, create filtering policies. So now we have set up the network and let's create the filtering policies. So there is no policy, so you have to add the policies for which network we are asking. Okay, I have selected the default. And what is the settings, like what you want to block? Like there is options like block generative AI. I just want to choose that now because there are multiple categories. The same feature which is provided by the Sophos firewalls. Sophos EDR also has the same kind of feature. Filtering by block domain list as well. So you can add any domain and you want to block that, you can block that as well. Add new youtube.com. So what's the issue is, let me try white count. What is the issue here? They are not giving the issues, but the other thing not in this. Okay, sorry. Those guys, I mistyped it. Here we just have to provide name. And here we have to provide the domain name. They also hopefully they offer the wild card as well. Let's try with that only. If they do not support that, then we cannot save it. Let me try normal. Okay, it's working. Either www.youtube.com. This also works. Save this. So this is the list we also selected in for set. So cannot bypasses and YouTube restrictions also you can put restrict or moderate. But since we are blocking the YouTube and also policies name, test DNS control. This is the easy way to control the traffic with the filtering policies. Endpoint policies is also there. And yeah, test DNS policies. We already configured it. So let's move again to the my product. Then DNS. How these are the permitted domains. Well, I think this is the previous queries if I'm not wrong. Review logs. Logs is available to review. This policies is going to apply it and deploy DNS to the device, which we already did it through these policies. Now let's test it because I have the one test website. Let's try this to like if suppose DNS is working or not. I'm not very sure it will work or not. Let's test the policies. Yeah. So this website is blocked. The reason is DNS protection. So this is the test, but yeah, since we also blocked AI or like lot more website, the whole AI categories. Okay, so this is the Sophos product, which is Sophos DNS protections, where you don't have to install the agent. You can go without the agent as well, but yeah, I recommend highly to use the agent so we can utilize the fully feature because the agent also has the temper protections feature and lot more features to discuss on it. So thanks guys, thanks for the watching. We'll be back again soon with the next videos.